Okay, everybody, told you I was going to be installing the advanced chute block. There it is, up position. So when you're standing on it, all the way closed. Just pull up the lever, and you can set this to different spots or all the way open from this angle. Gotta say, it actually went on pretty quick. I didn't bother doing an install video. There's a few of them out there already. The only thing I gotta do is get a bigger zip tie. It said it come with a zip tie for this. Well, it didn't. So I did buy the bigger zip tie. I just gotta take this crappy little one off. But it works awesome. Do gotta say that I'm really liking the Bad Boy Revolt SD 42. Until next time, see ya.